Hello, my name is Poong. NIM 21104173331, kelas M1. Once there was a poor man. His name was Hans. He had no money, no house, and no boat, but he was happy. I am feel something, he said. I walked down this street to the next town. After a short time, a very old woman called to him from across the road. "What do you want?" asked Hans. "What do you want?" said the old woman. "What do it when I want money? You can have money," said the old woman. "Take this magic blue coat and climb to take top the tall tree. Then climb down inside it. You will come into a lake from which the 100 lakes. 3 and 3 dots could drop the first door and you will see a big box. On the box sits a dog with its legs as it. Don't be afraid, I won't trip you. Put my blue coat and the floor. Take the dog and put it down on the coat front of the box. Open the box and you will see money. Take some, go through the second door, you will see a bigger box. On the box sits a dog with its legs arranged. To be afraid it won't hurt you. Put the dog down on the cot in front of the box. Open the box, you will see gold. Take some, go through the third door, do you see the biggest box? On the box sits a dog with its legs as flat. Don't be afraid, is it friendly? They are jealous in its box. Take some, this is wonderful, said Hans. But what can I do for you? I don't want any money or gold or jewels, said the old woman. I only want on little things in the trick room. There is a small glass box. My grandmother lost a tree. Bring me that box. Hans climbed up the tree and then down inside the tree. He went down and down and down. They saw the 300 lakes and three doors. He opened the first door and went into a little room. The box was dark with its like as eggs. "Good dogs," said Hans. He remembered the old woman's word. He put her blue coat on the floor. He took dog, put it down on the couch. He opened the box and he very excited. He took some money and put his hat. He put dog back on the box and went into the second room. Three on the box was a dog with his as red as orange. You read a faint dog hands. I put the dogs down in front of the box and opened the box. He is weird, suddenly and yellow as the gold in the box. Hans took some gold and put in his hat. The hand went into the last. This is like a place. You are a very fine dog, he said. Hand rocket and the service in the box. It is very scenery, red, blue, yellow, green, and gold. He took some jewels and put them in his sauce. Then he remembered the old woman's glass box he found on the floor next to the dogs. He climbed up inside the arena and was hurt. There came with the hairy got and jealous, but he got out of the tree, threw down the box, cut at the old woman, but he did throw in suddenly a strong hit him on the head. Head going on to head this, he threw both a pot out and hat and he hit not well. Did you throw that stone? Khalid, yes. Now give me the box. She was not very friendly. No, I'm not going to get into you, he answered. The old woman got very angry and her face was very ugly. He climbed to the ground and walked away down the road. She called him names. She called out nothing. It was next when he came to the dawn. He found a very neat room and escaped the wood before the next day went out and bought beautiful clothes. He was a very important and reminds people thought he suddenly had many prints on the somebody asked him, do you know about the princess? What princess? Asked Hans. Where is she? Where is those she left? You cannot see her and married the man. We know because she in a big house and she can't leave it. 3 inches only on doors. The windows are hung off. She never goes out. The king says nobody can see her. Why does she live that way? Asked Hans. Because a clever old woman said to the king, you daughter will marry a poor man. The king was very angry. He built the big house with high windows and shot the princess. I want to see princess, said Hans. He found the house and went to the door, but the king, Rufus quick sent him away. Then he put on his most expensive clothes and went to take him home. The king was very angry. Don't come near my house again, he agrees. I will cut off your head and put in a stake and live well at this time and quick uses his money on day he only had to jealous. He left it in his room. He bought a poor house and lived in it. And was poor or no, nobody cooked his food, nobody cleaned his shoes. His rich friends did not invite him to their homes. Had treated Finn with his the dogs again, but a cloth even and after short time Hans had no money. No money for food. A locket from his room. What could have dirt of the table have saw the little glass box. Perhaps I can buy some bread with this, he talks. Why did the old woman want it? It is glass, but I can't see into it. Perhaps the jealous of growth inside he tried to open the box, but he couldn't. He it once with his hand. Suddenly, the dog, which is like a is appeared in front of him. What do you want? Asked the dogs. What do you want? Cried Hans. I want money. The dog went away. It he cried, came back with a box of money in this mouth. Hans talks. Then he said, I know the priest dog comes when I hit the box once. The second two will come when I hit the box again. The third dog will come when I hit the box 3 times. I hit the box once too, and the dog with is like as orange broke growth. I hit the box 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and the dude with as like a plant's box jellies, and was rich again. He bought beautiful clothes and moved to a big house. All his friends come back. Why didn't you visit us? The side where were you? Hans did not like friends. He talked only the sad princess. She can never. He talks. She can never about her garden. Her mother is dead. She can only speak to text serpents and books. She has an blind flip. Nick has cold and sleep. Suddenly he had an idea and he got from his bed a top glass and stones. The dogs come, it next beautiful, next stand hands, and nobody will see. I know that the princess will like in my garden. Bring her very clearly. The dogs come back. The prince was asleep on its back. Her beautiful pet was sad and walked her and took her into the garden. Well, she cried. What is happening? She was afraid. You are working with me in my garden, said Hans. Look, the flowers are asleep. A garden skin, the prince. I'm upset. With the ground under my feet and the sky over my head, no walls, no windows. I can hear the sound of Nick's front. My day walked for a long time. Then the sun started the two over. I have to go, she said, but I did again here. Hands to about at the glass box, and the dogs see it the box and calls the dogs. Good dogs, she said, when it appeared you have beautiful eyes. Take me home. I don't want anybody to see us. That you want hands. The prince glimpsed the dog back and fell asleep. The next day, princess day of November, anything but the bright different striped Anna, a girls and green woman walks here. She has said what wake up princess is middle of the dice. The king is waiting for you, is he? Said princess, and she jumps happily out of bed. Look, Anna, it's beautiful day. Anna started to think a number of things very started priest the princess always got up 7 o'clock, but today it was 12 o'clock. Scorn, the princess was always sad, but today she was happy. Did the button of the princess Nick's dress was dirty, for there was a beautiful white flower on the princess, but don't flower, but there were no white flower in the king's gardens. Anna went to king's. Let's what and what, said the king when she goes out again. Well, follow her, and have love with the princess. He talked about her all day and next after there's days. He calls what he hit the glassbox on two, and the dog with his legs as orange average. Please bring the princess to my garden, has said. The dog went to the princess, but Anna was free too. The dog carried the princess away into her bag, and Hannah followed. The dog with a dog's door of a big house, and went in. Anna watched the latter eggs on the door and went home. Hans and the princess walked in the garden. Hans told the story of the woman and three dogs and the glass box. He told the princess about his poor mother and about his three. Uh, the princess Robert is sorry talked about her parents. My father, my great man of God kings. She said, but when my mother died, her courage. Suddenly I was all angered and sad. I should my that was no he was angry about little things. He does what the kings we once will flower in garden. My mother loved it with flower, but now his flower as the tree light of morning sun started to light of the sky. The prince then got next to hand. He hit the box on two and the second dog afraid with its eyes as big as orange. This dog called see everything. It saw eggs on the door and it took Hans. Who looks Hans called me quick and will reach eggs on very door in the start and the next dance started the next day. Anna told the king the story of the night. The king told Anna and some men to Hans said, "Here is no big house." Cried Anna, "No, there no he it is great." The king on of the men ran to him. The house is the next street. He said, "Three is a X on the door." Very house had an X on his door. The king was very angry and went home. Later that day, Anna talked of another plan. She went into her room and stood door. She made a small bag and she put little with stones. Anna. She made a small cut to the bottom of the box and then put it the princess clothes. No, she said when the princess got out, the little stones will fall onto the road. We can follow the stones to the house. That next hand cut the princess again with the glass box. They walked in the garden. The dogs with his legs and plants waited at the front of the house. I would like to beg a prince, said Hans. I would like no not beg a prince, said the princess. Why? Asked Hans. She didn't answer. I want to beg prince, I said, because I want to marry you. They sat down under the Hans put the glass box and the ground next to him. Don't a big prince, then said, I can a prince, I will be a poor girl, and you will be Hans. At that minute, the dog saw the king and Anna with 100 servants. The camp of the king house and lockets at the little which stones the will stones shone in the dark and they followed the ground Anna. The king is coming great come quickly the dog and away drops the straight with a princess on his back. The king Anna and the servants arrived and Hans' house is the princess hair greets the king. Hans didn't answer. Suddenly, the king saw and together little son on the ground next some beautiful with flowers. He can't speak for a minute. Then I said angrily to Hans, my word will cut of your head 3 o'clock tomorrow. The servants told Hans to the king house and send him on Rome. Hans looked for his glass box. Where was it? Lost? He cried. Not can the dogs. The can remember it was under the tree. When the sun came up, Hans went to the window and looked out. He was very high up. I saw little boy below him. I cried to him, "Hey, little boy, what do you want?" cried the boy. "Will you like three prince?" "Yes, please," said the boy. Then rode to my house. Said the master friend, Hans has little glass box. It is the garden under a tree. He wants me to bring into the king's house. When you bring me the box, I will give you 3 princes. The boy disappeared a little time later. I come back with the box, threw it off to my colleague's hands. The boy threw off the box and Hans cooks it. Then, then he threw down the money. I had minutes. The door opened and king men came in. They took Hans a big school in the country of the town. Everybody from Anton every they wanted to watch the king sort of middle of square with the important people of in front. First stood a big strong woodcutter. He was long, a coat, a tall black hat. Are you ready? Said the king the woodcutter. Are you ready? Said the woodcutter to Hans. No, Prince Hans, and he took out a glass box. Are you ready? Said the woodcutter to Hans. No, Prince Hans, and had it box on. He hit the box again. 1, 2, and then again 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. They had got dots in front. Take the words cutter away. He said the dogs with a rags as a strong stream within the river. The dog takes taking us away and said dog which is a right of plants. The dogs got bigger and bigger. Everybody watched with open mouths. No dead dog what is big a house. The king's men were very away. Bring the prince hands. Hans said to dog which is a big as orange. Where is the king? He cried. In short times the princess and king stopped in front of Hans with the dogs behind them. Do you want to be king? Hans asked the old king. No, said the king, and only want to have with flower in my garden and happy doctor. When a princess and marry with flower with will in your garden again, and the princess will happy, and so Hans married the princess. The new king and queen lived happily for many years. They had 6 children and very big garden. The old king lived his last year in Tim. His garden was a sea, wet flower and years. Thank you.